Hi, I'm Christie Davis. I'm a patient of Dr. Tai's, and I'm so happy. Today is one day after my second corrective lens implant, and I'm so happy today. I woke up just the colors and the flowers and the sky and the plants. Everything is so bright and beautiful. I can't believe it, honestly. And I had no idea that the cataracts that I had were yellowing everything until the first lens was put in, and I was already happy to see all those bright colors. And 2 weeks later, yesterday, I just had my second lens implanted, and I just cannot believe it. Like, I know it's going to continue to improve, and I just feel like I have a new life. I don't have to wear glasses anymore. I wore them 24 hours a day for close to 20 years for driving, for reading, everything, all the time. And now I have the freedom of no more glasses, and I'm just really, really happy. And Dr. Tai's been so kind and gentle and caring, and I just felt her personal care at the surgery center yesterday, and I can't say enough about Dr. Tai, and I'm super happy.
Thank you so much for sharing, Christy. I appreciate it.